Hello, AleHorn Army. This is Lance. I am just trying to put together a little bit of instructional video here to help you in case you've got a mug that has like a pinhole leak in it that, well, of course we lifetime guarantee it, but you may have a very special mug that's just got something that when you get the new one, it's not going to look the same and you just would like to use it. And I'm going to show you how you can do a little repair if along the base that you get some pinhole leaks. You know, it can always happen over the course of time. It's pretty simple actually. You can get whatever bottle of super glue you have. It's probably better if you got a little bit of a gel type, you know, that doesn't just run unless you got a big old gap, but this is gap filling, so this will work. Let's just say I had a little pinhole right there. All you do is you just put a little super glue right along there, and you let it sit. Now usually the gel type super glue takes a little bit longer. It's not instant. You know, this super glue may take 10, 15, 20 minutes. Just walk away for a while and then come back, fill it up, and water test it just set it on a paper towel, fill it full of water, and set it there and see if it still leaks in there. Or maybe that leak was creeped a little bit. Maybe it's still leaking a little bit close, and that'll tell you if you've got to put a little bit more super glue, maybe a little bit to one side or the other where you repaired. But that's all you've got to do. So I hope that helps. Make sure that if I can give you a hand with anything, or we can give you a hand at AleHorn, you got any questions, contact support. We're happy to help. You have a great day.